So this community here, guys, is called Hawaiian Paradise Park, HPP for short. They're just far enough outside of Hilo, they're not paying the big town prices. So a plot of land out here, about $80,000. Pre-COVID, it was like $30,000 to $40,000. You could just snatch it right up. Now you got to be on a list. It does come with effort, though, living out in the rainforest. Look at everybody's backyards. The big black swimming pools are water catchment tanks. So electricity is supplied to the community, but water's not. So most people are just collecting that rainwater. Again, we get over 10 feet of rainwater every year, so they just fill that up. And then they go over and they put it through a paper filter, carbon filter, then a UV filter. At that point, it's ready to use in-house.
Look at the rain coming down on the left.
Guys, we do have to stop into Hilo Base just to grab some more fuel before we can continue over to the waterfalls. So this is pretty much intermission. You know what I mean? Yeah, it'll be a chance to stretch your legs if you'd like. If you need to use the restroom, let me know. We can walk into the base. But from here, it's just about another 5 more minutes of flight time before I put the aircraft down at Hilo International. And then we have to get out of the aircraft so that they can fuel it up. And then once they're done fueling up, we can either get back in or, we will get back in and then we'll continue on. So as we continue to descend, just check the pressure in your ears. And when we land, just keep the seatbelts on, the headsets on so everything stops spinning. And then I'll grab the doors for you and then we'll jump out.
Hey Edmund, real quick, what's the fuel capacity of this aircraft and how much is it used per hour?
Yeah, it's about 142 gallons. And we're burning right about 48 to 50. So it's just under 3 hours. It's kind of our duration. And, this is at cruising at, what are we at? We're only getting about 110 knots right now. So you can go roughly about, we'll say 300 knots, 300 nautical miles. So what's that, 333 statute miles? Something around there.
Can you point at your airspeed gauge?
Yeah, so I got my ground speed is up here, but this is my my airspeed, my indicated airspeed, but also this is the airspeed here.
Those all coffee plantations ahead of us?
Let me make one radio call and I'll answer that for you.
Yes, sir.
So let me answer that question with another question. Who likes macadamia nuts? Yeah, Mauna Loa Macadamia Nut Farm, the big blue bag in the grocers. So all those tall trees are cook pines, and they're providing wind shelter for over 800,000 macadamia nut trees that are down low.
See the rainbow on the left?
Got a nice one over here to the left. So each one of those trees takes about 12 years before it will produce an edible nut. And it's a tree nut, so you have to break through a husk to get to it. So a lot of time, a lot of effort getting to that edible part. They're growing them in all different flavors as well. Got a little barbecue patch on your side. A little salt and vinegar over here. No, I'm kidding, right?
No, that's true.
All right, guys, I'm going to go radio silent here for a little bit, manage this approach. I'll be talking with you on the ground. But we should have some really good rainbows off to your left here.
I think you should be singing right now.
Perfect timing on the music, though, with that rainbow.
It's his first time.
If you can pronounce the name of this artist, I will pay for your helicopter flight.
I really wish I could take you up on that.
I have service, so just a minute.
Like a lemon drops high above the chimney top. That's where you'll find me, oh, somewhere over the rainbow, way up high. The dream that you dare to, why, oh why can't
Alright guys, welcome to the intermission, also known as Hilo.